Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's guys. How are you all? I hope all of you are amazing, awesome and wonderful as always. Okay guys, so this is today's class and this is for CBSE 10th, Prodigy Series for CBSE 10th, and the topic we are starting a new topic today, that is quadratic equations. Yes, so a very important topic. We have already finished with a very important topic which we have discussed before this, which was pair of linear equations in two variables. That chapter, I would say, is out of the top three chapters which are there in your grades, in the marks wise. It is that important. After that, in algebra, quadratic equations is a very important topic for you, because in the upcoming grades, that is in grade 11th and grade 12th also, it will be useful for you. So whatever you are studying now, it will be useful for your upcoming grades as well, and in boards also it is a very important topic. All right, so we will be starting with the introduction and solution by factorization method. Okay, so my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad, and I have been teaching from the past 5 years. So that's all about myself, guys. Let's start the class. Okay, so the weightage of this chapter is around 5 marks for standard maths and 3 marks for basic maths. So that's an average weightage. All right, it might be +1 plus minus 2 marks. All right, so like you can expect a good question from this topic, and it is very important. So what we will do, quadratic equations, guys, we have discussed, and we'll discuss it in three forms. First is quadratic equations standard forms and examples. Then we'll look at the solutions, how do we solve quadratic equations, and at the end we'll look at the applications, that is the word problems. All right, so I'll solve these three topics. These will be the three different topics which I'm going to take. All right, so in solutions beta we have factorization method, and then we have quadratic formula. So these two subtopics we are going to cover in today's class. And in the formula we'll be talking about the nature of roots, how does the quadratic equation is there, if a quadratic equation is there, what kind of roots it has, how can we find it out, all that we'll be discussing in the first session. So these two topics will be my first session. All right, all of this we'll be talking it in our second session, the next session. All right, and this will be my third session. So in these three sessions we'll be dividing this whole chapter. ठीक है बेटा? All right, so let us start with the introduction. What is a quadratic equation? So we are already familiar with the quadratic equation. We have learned about it in the previous grade, 9th polynomials, right? And in grade 10th also, in the polynomials we have talked about quadratic equation, right? Coefficients alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta is c by a. So those topics we have already discussed. Now by the end of this session, I'll make sure you'll be able to solve kind of the questions of this kind. Okay? So this will be like, many students think like, sir, this is a very difficult problem, but trust me guys, once we'll solve this, you'll not find it very difficult. All right, so what is a quadratic equation, beta? So quadratic equation is a equation with the degree 2, or highest power of the variable is 2. So what is its standard form? Its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Is it all? No. Where, very important, a is not equal to 0. This is the most important condition, because if a becomes 0, it is no longer a quadratic equation. So we should not forget that part, right? All right, so it is very important, a is not equal to 0. This is the standard form. Now what do I mean by the solution of a quadratic equation? So we know that if solution means those values of the variable which satisfies the equation. Now for a quadratic equation, it can have maximum 2 roots. Degree is 2, so maximum number of roots can be 2. If degree is 3, maximum number of roots can be 3. All right, so quadratic equation can have maximum 2 roots. Now we have been asked this question that which of the following equation will be quadratic in these two. So let's solve the first one. Alright. So if I look at the first one, I know if it has to be a quadratic equation, it should be in this form: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If the equation can be written in this form, it is a quadratic equation, otherwise not. So we want quadratic equation in x. All right. So what I can do, x plus 2 whole cube. So let's write a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube will be a cube plus b cube, which is 8, plus 3a square b. So 3 into x square into 2 is plus 6x square plus 3ab square. So plus 3 into x into 2 square. 2 square is 4, 3 is 12. So plus 12x is equal to x cube minus 8. So I got x cube got cancelled. We are left with 6x square plus 12x. Minus 8 shifted there will become plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 equal to 0. Now I can take 2 common. So if I take 2 common, 3x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Shift this 2 in division. So we can see it is 3x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now compare it with the standard form, guys. As you can clearly see, it is in the standard form. One x square term is there, one x term is there, c is also there. So a is 3, b is 6, c is 8. So it is a quadratic equation. The first one is a quadratic equation. Now let's solve the second one. Second one, we have x plus 1 by x whole square is 2 times of x plus 1 by x plus 3. So now I need to solve this a plus b whole square. So if I solve that, I'll get a square plus b square plus 2 into x into 1 by x will be plus 2 only, is equal to 2x plus 2 by x plus 3. Shift everything over there. So we are left with x square plus 1 by x square minus 2x minus 2 by x plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 equal to 0. Now guys, if you will see, suppose even if I take LCM, so I will get the terms x raised to the power 4, which is no longer a quadratic equation. And here also you can see that, sir, since this 1 by x square, 2 by x is in the denominator, so it is not a quadratic equation. Because in a quadratic equation we can have only x square term, x term and the constant term. X square term compulsory it should be there. X term and the constant term may be there, may not be there, no issue. But x square term compulsory should be there. Other than these three terms, no other term is allowed. So first one is a quadratic equation, second one is not. Very easy question, right? So this is how we can say whether a given equation. So just by looking at it, like suppose here I see power is 3. So it is not a quadratic equation. No, it turned out to be. And here I saw x square is given, but it like power x square term I got. But other than x square, extra terms are also there. That is why it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, this is how this question will be solved. Next one. Find the value of a and b for which x equal to 3 by 4 and x equal to minus 2 are the roots. Roots means solutions only. Now the major thing beta which you have to focus over here is this thing, roots. So if x equal to 3 by 4 and x equal to minus 2 are the solution or the roots of this equation, they must satisfy this equation, right? So let's make them satisfy. So let's put x equal to 3 by 4 in ax square plus bx minus 6 equal to 0. So I will get a into 3 by 4 whole square plus b into 3 by 4 minus or is equal to 6. So 3 square is 9. 9a divided by 16 plus 3b divided by 4 is equal to 6. Now if I take LCM, guys, here I have to also do into 4, right? So I will get 9a plus 3 4s are 12b upon 16 is equal to 6. So equation is 9a plus 12b is equal to 96. 16 6 are 96, and I can take 3 common everywhere, right? We can take 3 common, so it will be 3a plus 4b is equal to 3 3s are 3 2s are, है ना? Both side 3 3 is common, 3 is left. So this is my first equation. Let's find out the second equation. Second equation, put x equal to minus 2. So if I put x equal to minus 2, guys, so I will get a into minus 2 square plus b into minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So 4a minus 2b is equal to 6. This is my second equation. Now let's say I want to eliminate b. So for that I need to multiply this second equation with 2. So multiplying this equation with 2, I will get 8a minus 4b is equal to 12, and this equation, the first equation, the blue equation I have, is 3a plus 4b is equal to 32. So guys, do you see what I am doing over here? I am using the elimination method because I got two linear equations in two variables. I got two linear equations in two variables. Alright, so let's solve this. I will add both. B got cancelled. 8 plus 3, 11a is equal to 44. We can say a is equal to 4. Put a equal to 4 in any of the equations. Suppose this one. So 3 into 4 plus 4b is equal to 32. So 12 plus 4b is equal to 32. Shift 12 over there. 4b is equal to 20. That means b is equal to 5. Alright guys, so we can say the solution is a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. Alright, easy question. Okay, so this is how we can solve this. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. Now, before I move ahead guys, let me tell you about one very important thing. As you all know guys, that we are going through a phase where like we have a natural pandemic coming, and at that moment, be anything, we should not lose our hope, right? We will come out of it, and this is the time which always passes, right? But in this case, you should not compromise with your studies, because at the end studies will always be there, and studies will always help you to be great in your life. So do not compromise with your studies even in these times. All right, and it is very important to have a particular guidance, or let's say a structured way of studying. All right, studying on schedule, proper structuring of the syllabus so that you complete the syllabus on time and you do the revision also on time. So for that guys, we have Vedantu Pro Subscription. If you need such guidance, trust me, it is the most reliable source of studying right now, because we give you the promise. We give you the promise of improvement. We give you the guaranteed improvement. Yes, you heard me right. We are giving you full guarantee of your studies. We take the full responsibility of your studies. It means I say that you join Vedantu, and you will definitely see improvement. Yes, you will improve. I'm not saying you can improve, you will improve. Alright, that's our guarantee. And if you do not improve, then what? Then it's as simple as that. Take your whole course fee back. Yes, you heard me right. Your whole course fee will be returned after the 1 year. Alright, so suppose you have taken the class, so you'll start with the course, you'll be with us throughout the year. At the end of the year, in your final exam, your marks will improve. That is our guarantee. If it is not, take the whole course fee back which you have paid. Yes, alright, so I can say it is the most reliable guidance which you can get related to your studies. Now, what are the features you can get when you take Vedantu Pro subscription? The first thing is you get unlimited live classes. Alright, and all classes will be filled with fun and high level quizzes. Then students from the different parts of the world, so you can learn something from them, they can learn something from you. A good cultural interaction. You can also see where do you actually stand. Now, interactive replay. What does interactive replay means? That even when you are watching the recording of a class, you can attend the quizzes and see your name in the leaderboard. So that's an amazing thing, guys. And then you will get notes, quality tests, assignments, and also all your doubts which you are getting in the class. Now it is very important that you get doubts. When you start getting doubts, then only you have understood the concept. So we know that doubts are the most integral part of a class, and that is why in our classes, other than the master teacher, there will be extra dedicated teachers to take care of your doubts, so that none of you go with your doubts unresolved. All right. And there will be unlimited micro courses and crash courses for you to choose from. You can choose for any course you want, and that course you can join it for free without paying anything, because everything is covered under this one subscription. And what power you get with this micro courses is that you can choose to choose to go for any topic. You can choose to study any topic you want. Any test is coming, will start doing that. Also, you can choose to go with any teacher. Now suppose you are taking a long term, now you want to go and see how other teachers are, you can see with the micro courses, right? So with the micro courses you can meet all the teachers. All right, so that's a good opportunity it provides you. All right, so all this is available at a very genuine price, guys, and you can register for it with the link mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. The coupon code for you will be GPE Pro, and it is very important, guys, because this will give you 10% off on the price of the course, and this will be the minimum price, the minimum price in which you can get the course. All right, so that is what you are getting with this GPE Pro code. Now let me quickly show how you can register for it. Guys, suppose let's say this is the video. All right, now in the description box, if you'll see pinned comment, we have subscribed to Vedantu Pro now. Thank you, Sangeeta ji, so much. Okay, so we have here subscribed to Vedantu Pro now. As you can see, let me show you. Here you can see subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Just click on this link, or here click on show more, and you can see register for Vedantu Pro subscription. Click on this link. Once we click, now here you can click on edit, see your grade or change your board if you want, grade 9, grade 10, CBSE, ICSE, anything. Then click on get started. All right, now here you have 3 plans to choose from: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Pro Lite, being the most basic course, comes with all the features which I have told you till now. That is live classes, test series, assignments, notes, and doubt solving in the classes. All right, now suppose if you want, sir, I need some extra features, I need something more personalization, then you can go for Pro Classic. So Pro Classic gives you one more extra feature, that is doubt solving even after the class through mobile app. So whenever you are studying, you get any doubt, just post that pic or that doubt question in the app, and you will get the solution for it. Again, after that, you need more personalization, you want some more features, you want some more involvement, you can go for Pro Plus, and in this you get the doubt solving on mobile app plus personal mentor as well. So personal mentor, you can think of them as your coach, guide, motivator, supporter, teacher, anything. You can ask any doubt, academic, non-academic, you're feeling demotivated, any problem you are having, be it related to school, be it related to Vedantu, you can always talk to them, and they'll be always your helping hand. All right, so an amazing support system you get with personal mentor. Now the prices for all 3 is shown over here, guys. You can do one thing, you can, if you suppose if you are very new to the online education, you can try it for 1 month. So this is the price for trying, and this is for all the subjects. All right, it is not like this is only for one subject. All the subjects will be covered under this subscription. Once you have tried it for 1 month, you are satisfied, buy complete course. Make sure here GPE Pro is applied, and here you will see EMI option is also available when you buy complete course. So it's not like all of this, you suppose if it is difficult for you to pay this all together, don't worry, guys, EMI option is also available, so that you don't have to compromise with your study at any cost. Also, any other doubt you have, guys, please don't forget to check out this frequently asked questions, where any of your doubt will be answered. All right, okay, guys, so this is all about Vedantu Pro subscription, and I hope all of you will be joining it very soon, and my many micro courses are running on that also. So I have finished real numbers, polynomials, and they'll keep coming. If you want you have joined, you can request me for any micro courses, or Vedantu team will get that micro course for you. Don't worry, just join it. All right. Okay. So next thing is solutions of a quadratic equation. What is the solution of a quadratic equation? Says beta. So suppose, although we know about it, there are two methods. One is factorization method and one is quadratic formula method. This will do tomorrow. Factorization method, we are already familiar that if I have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, I need to split this middle term in such a way such that I need two numbers, their addition should be equal to b, coefficient of x, and their multiplication should be equal to a into c. Once I will do the splitting, then I will take the common, start taking common, and that is how I will solve this. Okay, beta? So for example, let's say this question. We have first one, 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So you can clearly say I want two numbers such that their addition is minus 3 and their multiplication is 9 into minus 2 is minus 18. What are those numbers? Minus 6 and 3, right? Minus 6 and 3. So I can write it as 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now guys, see, I am not changing the equation. If you will see, minus 6x plus 3x is nothing but minus 3x only. Alright. Now from these two, take 3x common. So you will be left with 3x minus 2. Here nothing is common, so take 1 common, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So we are left with 3x minus 2 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here, x is equal to 2 by 3, or from here, x is equal to 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Alright. So this will be the factorization, and below will be called the roots. Below will be called the roots. Alright. Next one, देखो. Second one. So here beta, a is equal to 100. So I want two numbers such that their addition is equal to b, which is minus 20. And their multiplication is 100 into 100. What are those numbers? Minus 10 and minus 10. So I can write it as 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Take 10x common, you are left with 10x minus 1. Here take minus 1 common, you are left with 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So it is nothing but 10x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So x will be equal to 1 by 10. This will be our 0. Alright. And you can also see it is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Alright. So this is how you can do splitting the middle term. Next question, solve the following quadratic equation. Now here, many students get afraid. Here, sir, this is difficult. So see here, beta, a is equal to 1. B is equal to 3 root 3 and C is equal to minus 30. Therefore, here many students feel difficult to factorize. They feel difficulty to split the middle term. Now I'll tell you a very important or very easy way to do the splitting. So, देखो, I need two terms such that their addition will give me 3 root 3 and two terms such that their multiplication will be equal to 1 into minus 30, which is minus 30. Obviously beta, if I know that if I am adding two terms such that their addition is 3 root 3, obviously both the terms must contain root 3. So let's say both the terms are p root 3 and q root 3. Listen very carefully beta. With this method, even splitting this root terms also will be easy, because I know not all of you but many of you are afraid to do the splitting, or sometimes they don't understand the calculation. So for all of you who face difficulty, listen very carefully, and also share this video with your friends who are also facing this problem. Tag them that see this part. This is going to help you a lot. And if you have not liked the video yet, what are you waiting for? Yeah, like the video and subscribe to this channel as well. Now coming back to our topic. So I have p root 3 plus q root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. What I have told, since the sum is equal to 3 root 3. I have added two numbers and answer is 3 root 3. Definitely both the numbers, they must be containing root 3. Otherwise I cannot add them. Same here, I have p root 3 into q root 3. Yes, correct. तो बेटा देखो, I know, देखो in addition root 3 will remain common. Root 3 will remain common only. I got to know that p plus q must be equal to 3. है ना? Because root 3 remains common only. So sum of p and q must be equal to 3. And here root 3 into root 3 is 3. So p into q, root 3 into root 3 is 3 is equal to minus 30. Shift minus 30 over there. So you'll get p into q is equal to minus 10. So this is what easier way of looking at this problem. We need two numbers such that their addition is equal to 3 and their multiplication is equal to minus 10. What are those numbers, yaar? Simple. Sir, 5 and minus 2. Yes or no? That means my original number will be 5 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. Alright. P and Q. So you can eliminate root 3 with this method. So I got to know splitting will be x square plus 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 30 equal to 0. Now here beta, sorry, minus root 3 x. So here if I take x common, I am left with x plus 5 root 3. X plus 5 root 3. Right? And here if I take, see, now I know here I have created x plus 5 root 3. Now I know here I have created x plus 5 root 3. So same should be taken common from the next bracket also. So next bracket also should have x plus 5 root 3. So from the first term what should I take common so that x only left, sir? Minus 2 root 3. Bas. If you see minus 2 root 3 into 5 root 3 is minus 30 only, equal to 0. So we are left with x plus 5 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. So we got x is either minus 5 root 3 or x is equal to 2 root 3. Easy. Let me explain this part, very important once again to you. Guys, I knew that I need two numbers such that their addition is 3 root 3 and multiplication is minus 30. So I know if I am say adding two numbers and answer is 3 root 3, I know definitely both the numbers also contain root 3. So let's say the numbers are p root 3 and q root 3. So p plus q should be equal to 3 because in addition root 3 remains common. And p root 3 into q root 3 should be equal to minus 30. So p into q root 3 into root 3 is 3 is equal to minus 30. Shift 3 in division, you got p into q is minus 10. So I want two numbers such that addition is 3, multiplication is minus 10. I got to know it is 5 and minus 2. So p is 5, q is minus 2. So the numbers are 5 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. Alright, this is how root problems also you can do the splitting. Now try this trick with some other questions given in your NCERT. You'll thank me later. Alright, okay, let's move ahead now. Next question. Very good question here. This is a very good question. What it is saying, solve the following quadratic equation. Dekho. So if I simplify this, alright, what do I have? 4x square. If you want to try this, pause this video over here, try this. And first thing I would like to suggest all of you, pause this video right now, try this and then see the solution. I will continue with the solution now, but I want all of you to pause this video now, try this question on your own and then see whether your answer is correct or not. So I have 4x square plus 4bx. If I open this bracket, I have minus a square and negative into negative will be plus b square equal to 0. Let me do a small little rearrangement. So I have 4x square plus 4bx plus b square minus a square equal to 0. Now guys, if you'll see these three terms, first three terms, if you'll see, it is 4x square I can write as 2x whole square. 4bx I can write as 2 into 2x into b, and b square I can write as b whole square, right? Minus a square equal to 0. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which means a plus b whole square minus a square is equal to 0. Right? Beta, consider this as suppose p and this as q. So we have p square minus q square, and we know it is equal to p plus q into p minus q. So same way beta, this if I solve it further, I will say p plus q will be 2x plus b plus a into 2x plus b minus q, p minus q equal to 0. Alright. So which identity I have used over here beta? First I have used a plus b whole square, and then I have used p square minus q square, which is p plus q into p minus q. So now this is the factorization. From here I can say, sir, x, so 2x is equal to minus a minus b, x is equal to minus a minus b whole divided by 2, and from here x, 2x is equal to a minus b, so x is equal to a minus b whole divided by 2. Alright, so these will be my two solutions. These two will be my solution or the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, very important question. Alright guys, next question, and this is the last question. Remember, I have told you that we'll be solving this question. It will be very easy now. Don't be afraid, it's very easy. Try to see over here. Guys, we have 3 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 upon 3x minus 1. Yeah, obviously if I am dealing with fractions, and that to subtraction of fractions, I don't have any other choice than making the common denominator. So here I will multiply with 2, and here I will multiply with x plus 1. So now I have a common denominator, that is 2 into x plus 1. So that is 2 into x plus 1. Here 2 into 3 is 6, minus of x plus 1 is equal to 2 upon 3x minus 1. So 6 minus x minus 1 will be, 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 minus x divided by 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 upon 3x minus 1. Cross multiply guys, cross multiply. So if I will cross multiply 2x into x, 2x into 2 is 4, or let's multiply this. So 5 minus x into 3x minus 1, and 2x plus 2 into 2. So we'll get 4x plus 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 5 minus x into 3x minus 1. So 5 into 3x is 15x. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus x into 3x is minus 3x square. Minus x into minus 1 is plus x. Let's shift everything over there. So we have 4x plus 4. 15x become minus 15x. Minus 5 becomes plus 5. Minus 3x square become plus 3x square. Plus x become minus x equal to 0. So I will say, sir, we have 3x square. 4x minus 15x minus x. Minus 15x minus x is minus 16x. Plus 4x will be minus 12x. And 4 plus 5 is plus 9 equal to 0. You can take 3 common. We are left with x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Shift 3 in division. We are left with x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Splitting. The splitting will be minus 3 minus 1. So x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. We'll get x into x minus 3. Here minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So we have x minus 3 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So from here x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1. These will be my two correct solutions. Alright, now some of you must be wondering that, sir, why they have written x equal to, x cannot be equal to minus 1 or 1 by 3, because x is in the denominator in the original equation. So if I put x equal to minus 1, the denominator becomes 0. That is the only logic given for x is not equal to minus 1 and 1 by 3, nothing else. Alright beta, so these are the topics given. So we have finished our first topic. In the next session, we'll be talking about solution by formula method and the nature of roots. Very amazing, very interesting, and the most important topic. After that, applications. Alright guys, so this is your homework question today, and I would like maximum students out of you to give me the correct answer so that I can show your names in the next class. So this is your homework question. Do let me know the answer in the comment sections, where you'll let me know answer in the comment section. Alright, So guys, I'll wait for your answers, and this is all. As I have already told you about Vedantu's Pro Subscription, and I have told you the link is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. GP Pro is your code to get 10% off. Alright guys, okay, so all the three courses you can see very well, and don't forget to apply GPE Pro. And guys, remember, this price is not only say to cover your syllabus once, because in this we will do your revision also, and along with that, with the help of micro courses and unlimited classes, you can study a topic as many times as you want. So it's not like studying a topic only once, you can study a topic as many times as you want. And about Vedantu Improvement Promise, I have told you very clearly guys, we take the full responsibility and full ownership of your studies, and if you do not improve in your marks, we give you your whole course feedback. Only thing we want from you is your dedication. So we want you to be with us for the whole year. So we want you to take our long-term course, that buy full course. So be our long-term student, alright? And once you have taken the course, you need to maintain at least 75% in the class as well as in the test, which is very less. Like see, we are not saying 100% only, because sometimes there may be some internet issue or there may be some personal problem which you might have. So we understand that, that is why 75% very minimum we have kept it, and with which we know that the student is coming regularly, and if you are coming regularly, we know that you will definitely improve. Alright guys, so this is all from my side. The batches are starting very soon, and also don't wait for the batches to start, because micro courses for all topics are going on. Join the course and you can buy the micro course, go through the micro courses also. My micro courses are also going on, so join quickly, and this is all. Yes, and please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So I hope all of you enjoyed the class, and I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye guys.